Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. We have an important story, actually two important stories. One of them being a RV dealer employee arrested and charged with swindling quite a lot of money, things you should know about. But before we get to that, make sure you subscribe, notification bell's on. We have a lot of videos coming out, news, vlogs, Hershey RV show content. This is a lot coming out, so you don't want to miss out on it.
The first story is not going to make some people happy. This is coming from RVtravel.com and it's dated August 20th, 2025. RV manufacturer will add flat $9,500 to RV prices to cover tariffs. Now, who this is talking about, this is a company called Wingham USA. They're a newer company. They actually debuted their models last year at the Florida Super Show, and they have announced a new tariff policy following a trade deal between the U.S. and the EU. So to offset these tariffs, Wingham says they will be charging a flat $9,500 tariff fee on all U.S. OAC 540 models. Now they have different models, but these are the ones they're focusing. They will be coming out with some newer models.
Just to clarify, Wingham is new to the U.S., but they've been in Europe for quite some time. They're known for their monocoque fiberglass chassis, tiny little things. They're like, I think, less than 20 feet long. Very nice layout in the floor plan, so they get a lot fit into that tiny little space. And we've seen them. They've been trying to come to the U.S. market for like 3 or 4 years, and they're finally launching. So this is in direct answer to the 15% tariff applied to most EU imports, including motorhomes and parts, while steel components face a 50% tariff. Now, I know some people are going to be upset about this, the tariffs. You guys shouldn't be talking about politics. It's not politics. It's what it is, right? Like, tariffs are here.
And how it's affecting
the RV industry. Essentially, it's a tax, right? So either the tariff is going to be paid by the manufacturer or it's going to be paid by the consumer. Either way, somebody's got to pay it. Perfect example, the camera we're shooting on right now, I think we've had it for 2 years. We bought it 2 years ago. It was $550. The same camera right now is almost $800. And that's a direct result of the tariffs. And it's just what it is. Whether you agree with it or don't agree with it, you're going to have to pay for it at some point. And we just wanted to make you aware, if you're looking at these Winghams, expect a $9,500 increase on this particular manufacturer. Now, this next story, which is the title of this video, General RV is back in the news. But before we get to that, the limited edition Let's Go Camping blackout silicone printed hat, there's about 45 left, if not sold out by the time this video comes out. I don't know, but they're being sold. 145 is the limit, and up to September 9th. So if you haven't gotten these, I know quite a few of our subscribers are already posting on our Facebook. Endless RVing, RV is coming together, as well as Endless RVing. They're posting, they got them, they love them, I have them on. That's that. The link will be down below.
This next story is pretty mind-blowing. It comes from RV Travel again, August 25th, 2025. General RV employee accused of embezzling more than $2 million.
Oh, they had a good run. The run came to an end.
So this happened, it was a recent arrest, and it was connected to the General RV Center in Wixom, Michigan. So what happened? So this is according to the Michigan Attorney General's office. Susan O'Hara, 56, of New Boston, was arraigned on August 21st, 2025. She was charged with 8 felony counts after state investigators say she embezzled more than $2 million from her employer, General RV Center in Wixom. She is scheduled to return to the 33rd District Court on September 2nd.
So according to the Attorney General's press conference, O'Hara used her access to company systems and client information to create and issue checks in the name of someone whose identity she had unlawfully assumed. She then cashed those checks for her own benefits. This classic white-collar crime. I don't know if she was in their finance department. Obviously, she was an employee there, and she had access to sensitive information and used that to benefit herself.
Investigators say everything that was involved here included identity theft, forgery, and misuse of internal payment systems to convert company funds to personal use. It's, whenever you hear about these things, it's always like spa trips and vacations and purses and cars. Who knows?
Somebody has a $4 million house and they have a $40,000 a year job.
So officials said that the loss totals more than $2 million. They don't know how long exactly yet this was going on, or the exact timeline of how this broke down, but they do believe that this was occurring over several years. Prosecutors filed 8 felony counts. These include 3 counts of embezzlement, $100,000 or more, each count a felony carrying up to 20 years. 1 count of using a computer to commit a crime, up to 20 years. 3 counts of forgery, each a felony carrying up to 14 years. And 1 count of identity theft, a felony carrying up to 5 years. That's a potential maximum sentence. Probably won't get it, but 127 years.
Right. So, wait, they probably won't get it, especially if they don't have it's a white collar thing, especially if they don't have a record. They're probably going to get a few years, but not 127 years. But what's more concerning is that obviously it was forgery, identity theft. Were there customers that were affected? If so, how does this affect them? Credit and all stuff like that. That's really why we wanted to make you aware. I don't know if you were a customer from any of those general RV locations or that Wixom one, but it's something we thought that you should know, and it is out there public. We want your feedback down below. What do you think about the tariffs affecting Wingham? Of course, this is affecting other RV manufacturers too. Everything has gone up. There's only 2 ways to pay the tariff. Either the manufacturer absorbs it, or more than likely the user absorbs it. We want your feedback down below. Also, if you like videos like this to the left of us, we'll put our RV news playlist. We'll also do our RV tours playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.